Student, now I am going to explain about our today's topic from Unit 1. Our today's topic is Importance and Application of Sociology in Nursing. Importance and application of sociology in nursing means why sociology is important for nursing profession. Let's start. Sociology is a very useful science, especially for the nursing profession. Sociology helps nurses and doctors to the culture and social life of patient. All the causes of the disease are not merely pathological disorder. For many diseases, cultural, behavior, habitual, environment, and psychological causes are responsible. Sociology is very useful science, especially for the nursing profession. Sociology helps nurses and doctors to know the culture and social life of the patient. Here you means nurse. If a nurse know that what is social culture, then she easily can understand the social life of a patient. All the causes of the disease are not causes of pathological disorder. For many diseases, cultural, behavior, habitual, environment, and psychological causes are responsible. Many diseases occur due to the behavior, habitual, environment, and psychological disorder. Understand? Some diseases like STDs, oral cancer, lung cancers are concerned with the cultural causes for hypertension, diabetes, mental stress. Understand? Some diseases like STDs, oral cancer, lung cancers are concerned with some cultural causes like hypertension, diabetes, mental stress. Understand? The psychological depression is the main causes. These all diseases are occur due to some psychological depression. So that the medical personnel should know the culture of the groups. Nursing plays a vital role in healthcare profession. Nursing plays a vital role in healthcare profession. Nurses are the key person who have significant influence over the group member within the society. Nurses are the main or key person who have influence over the group members of a society. Understand? Here group member means some patient. Understand? Influence over the group member within a society. Nurses have to work for maintenance of healthy lifestyle and high standards of living. Nurses have to work for maintenance of all healthy lifestyles and high standards of living. Now, sociology helps the nurses. To study of sociology helps nurses. Understand? Study of sociology helps nurses in various diseases. Understand? For various problems. Point number 1, to understand the problems of clients. If a nurse know the sociology, then she is able to understand the problems of clients, to provide total patient care in a comprehensive manner. To study the sociology, a nurse can able to provide the total patient care. Here total patient care means not only physical care but also mental care in a comprehensive manner. To suggest the individuals the way work with families and communities. Nurses are able to suggest the individuals the way work with families and communities to understand the emotional reaction patterns of the patient and other individuals in groups. If a nurse knows the society or sociology, then she will be able to understand the emotional reaction patterns of the patient and other individuals in groups. If a nurse knows the sociology very well, then she will be able to make diagnosis of people, belief and practices to various diseases. Understand? This is all about the importance and application of sociology in nursing. Understand? Or why sociology is important for nursing profession.